Our topic today is relationship rules and referential integrity in SQL. Let's begin. Once we have decided what our relationship will be, what they represent, and how they connect data, it's time to decide whether to enforce them. Databases allow us to benefit from referential integrity, which means the database will be aware of the relationship and will not let you or another user modify data in a way that violates the relationship. This helps us to maintain the consistency of the database. Let's look at this customers table and dishes table. The customer's favorite dish column is a foreign key from the dishes table. It's really just a number, but we can tell the database when we create this table that number in this field also needs to exist in a field in the other table. It would not make sense to set a customer's favorite dish to something that doesn't exist. So, if we enter the customer or updated their record and try to put in something that doesn't exist, the database would reject the entry or the change. We would only be able to make the change after the dish was added to the database, or we change the entry to reflect something that is already in the dishes table. This referential integrity helps to keep the database consistent and accurate. We don't want to worry whether we have bad data in the tables. And using integrity rules like this lets the database do the work of keeping things consistent instead of doing it ourselves. Another benefit of referential integrity is that we can use it to delete records or to prevent records from being deleted. If we were to delete a customer record, it may be that we want the customer's orders to be deleted along with them. Depending on your privacy restrictions or business requirements, this could be something you need to do. It can be done manually, but these rules allow us to have the database perform a cascading delete, where associated records are removed in order to maintain consistency. Otherwise, when a customer is deleted, their orders would refer to a non-existent customer. However, this is not something we want to do with all of our data. If we delete a customer, we don't want their favorite dish to be removed from our dishes table. That dish is still available to other customers and is still on our menu. It's important to not just define relationships, but also to decide how they will be enforced by the database. Consistency is a feature offered by the database, and you need to decide how it applies to your particular situation.